Without much ado, let's start today's webinar on a very, very pertinent topic, that is balancing act, practical strategies for managing screen time in children. Okay, let me start with some one-liners that caught my attention. I told my kids to stop posting everything on social media. They asked, but how will our friends know we exist? Well, this is the hard reality. Okay, another one. I tried to explain to my kids what life was like before the internet, our time. They thought I was telling them a bedtime fairy tale. Well, it's so hard for the kids to imagine. We had a time when there was no mobile phone, no internet, and still we survived. Another one. I told my kids that too much screen time isn't good for their eyes. They replied, well, how else are we supposed to see the world? Because their gadgets is their lens to the outside world. Well, dear audience, this is hard, but this is the reality. That's where we stand now. In today's digital age, invasion of screens and digital media has been like a hurricane, especially in the post COVID era, where we all embraced screens and then we realized that screens are here to stay. ये तूफान की तरह हमारी जिंदगी में आए और अभी तक हैं. एंड हो क्या रहा है? पेरेंट्स को समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या करना चाहिए. पेरेंट्स कंफ्यूज्ड हैं और एजुकेटर्स भी, क्योंकि इसके लिए कोई सोसाइटल नॉर्म्स नहीं है. कोई नहीं बता रहा कितना स्क्रीन टाइम कितनी एज के लिए कब देना चाहिए, क्या मोबाइल देना ठीक है या नहीं है. अभी तक इसके लिए कोई सोसाइटल नॉर्म्स नहीं बने हैं. सो इट इज लीडिंग टू मोर ऑफ कंफ्यूजन. So, screen time has become a major concern. Well, dear audience, it is crucial to understand the impact of excessive screen time on children's development and well being. And it will not be wrong to say teenagers are now becoming screenagers, because as the age advances, the time of or the amount of time that a child spends on the screen is also increasing. So, teenagers can be called as screenagers now. So today we are going to explore some effective strategies for managing and balancing screen time in children. Now, before we go ahead, let us understand what is screen time. Well, screen time is the amount of time spent using a device with a screen, such as a smartphone, computer, laptop, iPad, television, video game console, or even a tablet or a Kindle. And your smart watches with the screen are also part, or they're also included in this. In fact, squandering time or whiling away time on laptop or phone, सिर्फ reels देखना, screens देखना, social media explore करना, that also comes under screen time. But should all screen time worry us? Well, as we go along in our presentation, I hope I'll be able to answer this question. Let me start with the current trends in screen time. These are some of the reports that I've gathered. Well, one article in the Economic Times states that screen time in children has spiked by a whopping 52% between 2020 and 23, thanks to the COVID era, especially in the age group of 10 to 14 years. 70% of children aged 6 to 12 years use screens for more than 2 hours daily. 30% of parents have been complaining of symptoms like headache, neck ache, eye strain, reduced attention span and focus, and irritability in children beyond 2 hours of screen time per day. Well, this was published by the Vision Council. There has been 100% surge. I repeat, 100% surge in digital screen time for kids between 5 to 15 years. This is the article published by OLX India. Dear audience, the numbers are alarming. Is there any gospel to understand how much of screen time is good for the children? Sorry, there isn't. Well, recently, American Academy of Pediatrics came up with certain guidelines. I would like to share them here with you. They said there should be no screen exposure for children under 1.5 years of age. no screen exposure at all, because this is a crucial period of development, and the development includes the exposure to the environment, to people, a lot of exploration. So there should be no screen exposure. Between 1.5 to 2 years, that is 18 and 24 months, screen time should be limited to watching educational program with a caregiver, that is not unsupervised. For children from 2 to 5 years of age, limit non-educational screen time to about 1 hour per weekday and 3 hours on the weekend days. And for ages 6 and older, encourage healthy habits and limit activities that include screens. Now, why I had a smile on my face? Because they also refuse to give any number here. So I repeat, for ages 6 and older, encourage healthy habits which are non screen and limit activities that include screens.